Hi, this is Ciandre from Ciandre. Today we are talking something different, wardrobe and the closet. How to make the combination of wardrobe and open closet in very limited space. So today let me show you this wardrobe and plus open closet. This actually is an L shape. You know, sometimes in our daily life we always want to show something, especially for ladies. We want to put, like this week, we want to wear those clothes, and for men, those. But you always have something that you want to put in the wardrobe. It's not a reason. It's not a season clothes. In this case, you're going to put in the wardrobe, which is contemporary, for exchange. So like here, we make a 90-degree vertical cabinet. So here is wardrobe, and here is wardrobe, which is a clothes that you don't wear in the incoming week. So this is one cabinet that's here we use 90-degree vertical cabinets. So the depth of these cabinets, we can put much forward and you can move very easily. The purpose is to make the maximum usage of the space. What's more is that we want to hit something as a surprise. So here we make a sliding mirror. It's in the case that we want makeup or we want to see how the dress looks. So in this case, we have a mirror for ladies, especially, which is our favorites. So for here, which is very interesting design, that it looks very simple design, but the function is very super strong because it solves several problems. One thing is that for ladies, we want to show some bags or some small things, so we're going to put in the up layers. And here we do something very special, is that here the pole we use natural leather wrapped, so it looks very warm and very elegant. And what's more is that this wood board we use the most new design in 2023 from Cliff. It's very on underlines. It looks very elegant. For ladies, it's super, you know. So for here, we make 6 drawers for different purpose. Like here, it's like for scarf, for thin and for thick scarves. And this drawer is for jewelry. So you have watches, you have rings, you have glasses. So actually the mixture of this drawer can be choose. We have different options. And here is for men. You have tires. You have different type of stuffs. So you can have dividers inside to make everything looks tidy, and they have their space. So it's like a divider. And here it's very strong. You can have, when you either to hair dryer, you can put here. And also, if for ladies, we always have many makeup things, so you can put in here. It's very convenient. This is just one kind of options for this type of functional drawers, but actually the internal design can be optional. Like here, we also have the pants. And according to the season, the thickness of the pants is different, so this pole can be removed. Wider or thin is narrow. It depends on you, on the season. Because when in the winter, maybe the thickness of the clothes is more thick, so it adjusts the gap, And also here is it can be for thin scarf or thin skirts. So it looks simple, but you can put many different things to be very tidy. It's like a divider for your jewelries, for your scarves, for your tires, so belt, so it can be looks nicer, but you can have very strong storage. So also when you look the surface of the drawers is like a mirror, so it looks very fashion, you know. This is a very simple wardrobe and like a dressing space design, but it's you can see have different kind of dividers for different kind of things, which is very important for daily life at home. So if you are a designer, if you are interested in interior designs, please don't forget to follow me. I'm going to show you more ideas about interior designs. Thank you. See you next time.